it's like 2:30 now, and I don't know if I'm doing anything today, but I'm just gonna film this intro in case I end up doing anything today. Anthony was just shoveling his like porch thing or whatever, and he just broke his phone, and he got it fixed like, how long ago did you get it fixed?
Like 3 weeks ago.
He got his phone fixed like 3 weeks ago, and he already broke it again, but it's kind of like a BS way that he broke it, to be honest, because he was just shoveling, and we think that as he was shoveling, he like knocked it into his phone, because he said his phone was like in his pocket or whatever. So I think he knocked it into his phone or whatever. But now he's just trying to think of things so he can sell, so he can buy another like screen, and he wants to get a protector.
Yeah, so I'm in the Target parking lot right now. I don't know if you guys can see me because it's kind of dark in here. But Anthony and I wanted cereal, so now I'm gonna go in Target real quick and get cereal, and then we're gonna go back to his house and eat the cereal, obviously, because we just like felt like eating cereal because it's cold and snowy out. And then after that, I'm probably just gonna go back to my house because my mom wants me home.
Got the cereals, now we're gonna go use my SIG gift card.
Welcome. Please scan your first item. $2.99. But what wasn't what I was expecting to see?
So cold out. Oh my gosh, just love Colorado so much. You happy about the Star Wars cereal, Anthony?
Are you happy about it?
I like the Cocoa Puffs better, but I don't know how those are gonna be. If you had to pick one, what would you pick? The Reese's Puffs or this weird Star Wars, I don't even know what to call this, like some weird limited edition Reese's Puffs all the way. Reese's Puffs. All right, so I'm leaving Anthony's now, and I'm probably just gonna go home and chill out and watch my YouTube videos. Not like my videos, but just watch videos and stuff. Ow, bro. But say goodbye, Anthony. Anthony is mean. Why are you so mean, Anthony?
Why you gotta be so rude?
Alright, well, I will see you guys if I do anything else later, but yep. Yo, I just got to my mom's house, and if you can hear music, that's probably my brother, because he just likes to listen to a lot of music, but that's just him or whatever. This is just my room or whatever. This is a little Maynard. He's a cutie. I love this dog so much. Oh, he's such a cutie. Give him a hard time now. I love playing Xbox, and yeah, and then I think we're gonna go to dinner pretty soon because Matthew's pretty hungry, and my mom and my stepdad are out looking at cars right now because my mom's car is being weird. So yeah. Oh yeah. And another thing, I apologize because in yesterday's video I said that I was probably gonna go to Evolve, the indoor skate park. I couldn't go because they weren't opening till 4 today, because right now is Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and they didn't open till 4, and we were planning on going like 9:30 and just going like a little, that 3 hours or something, because I was gonna go with Ahmed, but we couldn't go because it didn't open till 4, and none of our parents really wanted us to go out till 4 because we all have school tomorrow.
Hey, yo, I know it's kind of dark right now, but we're headed to dinner with mainly my little sister and Matthew, and they want McDonald's, so we're gonna go to McDonald's first, and then I want Qdoba, so then we're gonna stop by Qdoba and get Qdoba.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. What
do you want, Malin?
A Happy Meal, Sprite ice.
Can I get a Happy Meal, the 4 chicken nugget one with the Sprite, and then we have the Sprite with no ice, please?
Over the flavor.
And it's for a girl.
Okay, you said apple slices?
No, happy. No, what? No, just the Sprite with no ice.
Okay.
Okay. And then the number 2 with a large strawberry banana smoothie.
Oh, 60 for you.
Wait, did you get the no ice part?
What?
Did you get the no ice part?
Yeah, they didn't do it. Honestly, I'm just gonna get gas real quick because I was running low because yesterday I only put in like an amount. I remember to close it this time. Not bad, not bad. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be all over my white shoes. But I just got the dough. No, steak, chicken, and brown rice and pinto beans. A little bit of queso, please. That was actually surprisingly fast. Going up for real though, not on the Janowskis. But you gotta love Qdoba. Bone up the beef. So I'm just chilling in bed now, and it's like 7 o'clock, so it's not that late, but pretty much I'm just gonna play some Xbox and then do my homework and head to bed. So I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.